यू मस्ट बी लाइक ये 20 साल की लड़की जो अभी 20 साल की हुई भी नहीं है, 5 दिन में होने वाली है, ये हमें बताइए कि जर्नलिंग में क्या होता है एंड कैसे होता है एंड क्यों करना चाहिए. लाइक हु एम आई टू टेल यू एनीथिंग अबाउट जर्नलिंग. बट वेट, लेट मी टेल यू why you should stay in this video. I think everyone these days is using it as a very competitive thing. You know, journaling, it's a hobby, आपको करनी चाहिए. But to me, the way I started journaling or how I start all of my habits is a very minimalistic. I started my journaling journey before it was a viral thing on the internet. Not everyone on the Instagram was talking about their journaling ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem, journaling ecosystem just became a new thing, and I have been doing that since 2023, my boy or my girls. The first thing I would love to talk about is why journal, why you should do journaling, why you should recommend other people to do journaling. If I had to answer that particular question of yours, I would start from the very beginning. मेरी journaling journey शुरू कहाँ से हुई थी? Actually, when COVID was skyrocketing, everyone was in their homes because you could not go outside. That's when I started noticing some really weird patterns in my family, which made me question my whole entire existence. I was questioning my behaviors, I was questioning the psychology of how people work, I was questioning what role I play in my family as the eldest daughter of the house. But then it just became so toxic, and I started realizing that if this continues like this only, bro, my game is over. Okay, I'm not surviving in this world because it's just difficult. I think you know it, how difficult it is to be the eldest daughter of a house, especially when your house is very patriarchy based, male dominating field. Yes, so it just started spiraling in my head, and I was like, I have to do something with myself, I have to do something for me. And that's when I was like, okay, what hobby can I do, and I chose journaling, and it changed my life. Let me tell you, it was not something dramatic that I sat one day and I started journaling and I was really perfect, aesthetic, pretty journaling and मैं कर रही हूँ, I'm doing it daily. No, I was never this consistent. So now I will show you my journey. Just to film this video, मैंने ये notepad 6 feet नीचे ground में गड्ढा खोद के निकाला है because it's that old, and I started journaling from this. Can you believe it? जब मैंने journaling start करा था, everyone were doing those pretty aesthetic vintage पेज को साइड से बर्न करने वाली जर्नल्स. सो आई स्टार्टेड विद दिस. ओके, दिस थिंग वाज लाइक दिस, बट अब ये इतनी पुरानी हो चुकी है, इट्स जस्ट टॉर्न. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एवर जर्नल्ड इन माई एंटायर लाइफ, इट वॉज 5th March 2022, and the first thing I ever wrote was when I felt proud of myself. Oh my god. जब मैंने जर्नलिंग स्टार्ट किया था, मेरे को बिल्कुल भी हैबिट नहीं थी और किसी को भी नहीं होती है. सो आई प्रॉमिस्ड माई सेल्फ, मैं डेली एक क्वेश्चन लूँगी और मैं डेली उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर करूँगी, वेदर इट बी 3 things आई एम प्राउड ऑफ, 3 things आई एम नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट, थिंग्स आई एम इग्नोरिंग, थिंग्स आई एम अवॉइडिंग. आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग दीज पेजेस. कैन यू सी देम? लाइक यहाँ पर डेट है एंड देन 2022 द ईयर जिसमें मैंने लिखना स्टार्ट किया. बट आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग दीज, बहुत जल्दी I came to a realization that this thing is very flimsy and this is not going to work in long terms. That's when I started journaling and I bought a notebook. And the second notebook जिसमें मैंने लिखना शुरू किया था, it was a notebook which my brother gave to me as a, oh, I have this extra thing, do you want it? And I was like, yeah, I'll have it, because I just don't want to spend money on this thing, on journaling, because I don't know कि मैं ये कर पाऊँगी या मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी, and I just want to try it out. I am just experimenting, and this was a flimsy little spiral notebook. Like, it's so thin. My brother gave it to me and I started journaling in it, and it was the best experience of my life, my first ever journal, because I don't want it to do too much. I was like, I'm not that girl, like I'll not do too much because I don't want to overwhelm myself कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा करूँगी and then it will get all flimsy in my head. So I wrote, they say we need a why to get what we want in our lives. So I said, why not very cringe. I know it's very cringe, but trust me, आपको लगता है it's cringe, आपको लगता है it's very dramatic, but these are the things which keep you going when you feel like you are no one. Like my darkest days, I remember, were like during 11th and 12th grade, and all these cringe and very motivational stuff were the things which were like, they popped in my head, and I was like, Khushi, just do it for yourself, you know, just do it for yourself. And I was proud of myself. I wrote, I'm not feeling good about this, like how will it all start? I have no clue, but it's alright. This is how you do it. You are never ready. आप कभी भी ready नहीं होते हो, and आपको लग रहा है या मुझे लगता है कि ओह मैं अपना YouTube चैनल जब स्टार्ट करूँगी जब मैं बहुत अच्छे से रेडी होंगी, मेरे पास परफेक्ट बैकग्राउंड होगा. आई एम लिटरली सिटिंग ऑन माई फ्लोर राइट नाउ. मेरे आसपास मेरे जर्नल्स पड़ी हैं, एंड आई हैव दिस फ्रेम पीकिंग आउट इन द बैकग्राउंड बिकॉज वो हमेशा यहीं पे रखा रहता है, एंड आई जस्ट यूज अ पिलो टू हाइड इट बिकॉज इट विल नेवर बी परफेक्ट, and you just have to start it. And I'm doing the same. I am fumbling like 2000 times, but I'm filming myself because that's what we do, क्योंकि आप कभी भी ready नहीं होगे. And I learned it the hard way. I wrote, I'm not feeling good about this, like how will it all start? I have no clue, but it's alright. This is how you do it. You are never ready. आप कभी भी ready नहीं होते हो. And the best part about starting is जब आप कोई चीज़ start करके अपना वो छोटा सा milestone complete करते हो, you just feel you have conquered the world. That's what I felt जब मैंने ये दूसरी journal complete कर दी थी, and I was like wow, like I am into it. This is my thing now. This has become my hobby. That's when I started my another journal. I have never purchased this costly journal in my entire life till now. This was my most expensive journal. So this is my another point, that in order to journal or in order to start this new hobby, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा expensive चीज़ें खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to be like, oh my god, मेरे पास कोई बहुत अच्छी journal नहीं है, मेरे पास बहुत अच्छा setup, I don't have this very expensive aesthetic alchemite journal. By the way, I love alchemite. It's quite expensive for me. You know, when I get rich, I will not tell, but you will see the signs, because I will be writing in an alchemite journal. I was like, wow, I love this feeling. I love journaling. This is my thing. And this is how I created my first page of journal. Can you see it? Oh my god. I wrote some really motivational and cringe stuff on it. So it's better आप pause करके ना ही देखो. तो अगर आपको background में थोड़ा ऐसे शोर सुनाई दे रहा है ना, it's my dad talking to his office mate. So just ignore that. You know, I just cannot go. Although मैं उन्हें बोल चुकी हूँ कि प्लीज़ पापा जी थोड़ा टोन डाउन कर लो, लाइक मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ और मैं सुबह से बोल रही हूँ कि मैं इस टाइम पे वीडियो बनाऊँगी. They just don't care, you know. They just don't give a shit. So आपको ही कॉर्पोरेट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Because my daddy, he won't cooperate with you guys. He won't cooperate with me and my channel. Okay? आपको ही compromise करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Okay, so this was the journey. This was like January 2023. This was the first year I actually started manifesting. आपने देखा होगा, I make manifesting vision board हर साल के लिए. But this is where I started from, guys. Can you see it? You can literally just do it from a notebook. आपको कोई board बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है भाई. No, you can just do it from the notebook. I want to start my YouTube channel and hit 10k. And see, look at this. I have always wanted to do that, and the fact that I am doing it is already such a big thing to me. Like there are some days I'm like, यार मैंने ये वीडियो पोस्ट किया है, मतलब यार मेरे तो व्यूज़ नीचे ही गिरते जा रहे हैं. But then I'm like, wait, I posted a video. I have my YouTube channel and I post almost regularly. Well, that's a lie, but look at it. I literally wrote it on my journal that I want to start my YouTube channel. What do you mean मेरा YouTube channel है? Like 2022, 2023 January me would be so shocked कि base you have a YouTube channel? Oh, oh my god. Guess I did not use enough glue. This was my third ever journal. It started on June 2023 and it ended on 3rd April 2024. So I think this was my fattest journal of all time. I wrote so much here, so many of my traumas, so many of my past situations, so many of my shit that I was going through in here. She's my girl, you know. She has seen me. Oh my god, why am I getting so passionate about this? It's just because this thing is just so personal to me. She has seen me go through some really questionable things. Alright, let me tell you that. My most depressing phase, I'm not saying I'm depressed because that's a very strong word. I'm just saying my most depressing phase of my life, she has seen it. She has been through that shit with me. Okay, nobody gets me like she does. Alright, nobody. You won't ever get me like she does, because now I just refuse to talk about that phase of my life. I'm just blocking that memory out of my life. I don't want to think about that time ever again. Whenever I do, I'm just crying. So yeah. When I started my 4th journal, the Kendall Jenner's podcast was going viral everywhere. She was like, oh, I paste this picture on my mirror of my younger self. So whenever, I'm being harsh on myself, I look at her and I tell her that, it's not me, it's that little girl that I'm talking to, and have to be kind and have to be gentle with her. And that's when I started keeping this picture of me in my journal, because again, I said I was going through some rough patches. Okay, I was just being so hard on myself, and it was getting really, really difficult for me to carry whatever things were going on in my head. I started keeping this little picture in my journal, which was the cutest thing ever. Like, it's the most sweetest thing ever. I stumbled upon this human behavior guy, his YouTube channel, and I saw one of his videos and I was shocked. What have I seen? Like, it was amazing. Okay, I will not even try to sum up his video, because his video was just the greatest thing I have ever seen in a couple of months. But I would love to say that kuch cheezein he said in his video just stuck to my mind. That in your life you have to do good deeds. Okay, you have to return to society, because society has given so much to you, and that's what made me realize that आप society को तो वही दोगे ना which you have in your own cup. And in order to give good things to society, you have to keep your cup, the cup of your own energy, fulfilled with good things. Those good things come in your life when you are connected with yourself. You are not trying to be somebody else. When I heard this quote that in 20 years you will regret more things you did not do than the things you actually did, it just hit me in the right spot. I was like, kya matlab, next 20 years mein I will regret not opening my YouTube channel because I was scared to get out of my bubble, and I'll just regret it so much after 20 years. Then if I do open my YouTube channel and I post, say, so many videos of mine, and I embarrass myself, literally, I don't regret opening this YouTube channel, not even a bit. I don't regret what my friends have to say about me, not even a little bit, because I really don't care. I really don't give two shits about anything right now. And you guys know how much I have been wanting to open my YouTube channel, and there are so many more things I want to do with my life, and I hope through this journey that through YouTube and through my own personal goals which I have in life, I am able to achieve so much more personally. Like, not just materialistically, not just for the world to see that I have that. There are some things you have to do for yourself. Ending this video, I want to tell you guys that I also love planning my life. I love making to-do list, and this was my first ever to-do list or planner, like an actual planner, because before this I literally used to have like random notebooks around the house or random diaries as my planner. This was my first ever planner, and this is the sum up of my whole entire life in a couple of notebooks. Bye. Hi, this is me just before uploading this video. और मैं क्लैरिफाई करना चाहूँगी जो चीज़ आई थिंक मैंने इस क्लिप में मेंशन नहीं करी है, दैट ये जो मैं बोल रही हूँ द थिंग्स अबाउट गिविंग आउट टू द वर्ल्ड, एंड ये मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक जर्नलिंग ने मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया है in order to stay connected with myself and in order to stay true to myself. Because if it was not for journaling, I know for a fact मैं लोगों की बातों में आ जाती, या फिर मैं अपने ओपिनियंस को इतना स्ट्रांगली होल्ड नहीं कर पाती, बिकॉज मैं कभी उनके बारे में सोचती ही नहीं. बट नाउ द फैक्ट दैट मैं उस चीज़ को राइट डाउन करती हूँ एंड आई सी इट फ्रॉम पीछे से, लाइक मैं दूर से अपने खुद के थॉट्स को देख रही हूँ कि वो शेप कैसे कर रहे हैं, वो मेरे को कहाँ लेके जाएंगे, वो क्या पोटेंशियल रखते होते हैं अगर मैं अपने वर्ड्स में बिलीव रखती हूँ तो। या मैं बस ये बताना चाहती थी, आई रियली होप ये वीडियो में मैं जो चीज़ें बताना चाह रही थी वो चीज़ें इतनी सी भी अगर आपको मेरे बताने के तरीके से समझ आई हो, आई वुड बी दी हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन अलाइव। एंड टेल मी इफ़ यू गाइस want more videos like that. Bye.